Hi, welcome back. Webinar. What is webinar? A webinar is an online event that is hosted by an organization, company, and broadcast to select group of individuals through their computers via internet. A webinar is sometimes also referred as webcast, online event, or web seminar. Who all can use webinar? People looking for selling your skills. It is used as a boom for digital business. People who are into education industry and showcase your talent, new product launch, seminars and conferences, and lot more. Remember, age group between 4 to 65 are your target audience. Now you decide what kind of webinar that you want to create and sell it online. There are a lot of people who are waiting for your voice, for your content. Talk to those people and sell your product, sell your talents. Webinar actually means it is derived from the word, a combination of words, web plus seminar. That is called as webinar. Let us understand what is the purpose of webinar. The goal of webinars is to educate, demonstrate, or instruct. While both B2C and B2B companies can use webinar into their marketing activities, it is a tactic most commonly used in B2B marketing. Now, how do they do that? To attract customer, to inform that customer that we are launching a new product into the market, or it can be a freebies that you are going to give it to your customer. Let us understand the benefit of webinar. Location flexible. Okay, you can host a webinar from wherever you are. It could be any part of the country or any part of the world. You can organize a webinar. And vice versa, same as well, even your audience could be any part of the world. You can target to any customer, any education field or any business field. You can target to any customer and sell your products. People can join from any part of the world. The content in the webinar can be recorded and shared. All the recordings, all the webinar, all the activities that been captured can be recorded and it can be shared with your audience. It is also a two-way communication between the host and audience. Okay, so it is like virtually interacting with the people. You'll be talking to the customer, you'll be talking to your audiences, and the audience will be responding, asking queries like, I have this problem in your product, may get the solution. And when you have that solution, tell it to the customer, tell it to your audience, this is how it has to be done. And when you are at the place where you are solving the problem of the customer and it's easy for the customer to buy your product. It is live in real time. You can add few participants or you can add multiple hundreds or thousands of participants together and organize a single webinar. It is a web-based software with small size download.